Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atmajin School. Jai Swami Narayan. Today I start with standard 9th. We were doing a lesson 4 है ना, Forest Society and Colonialism. हम ये कर रहे थे. So I think I had finished with this lesson. Yes, I had finished with this lesson, its explanation. So a small recap, just to revise. उसके बाद I will do its activities, उसके MCQs, okay. That is a small recap overview. In India, deforestation started many centuries ago, but it became more systematic and extensive during the British period. In the colonial period, cultivation increased for the production of commercial crops and also to feed the increased population. To maintain the timber supply for the Royal Navy, lots of trees of India were cut and exported to England. Woods were also needed for the expansion of railways. The colonial government took over the forest and gave vast areas to European planters at cheap rate. British government appointed German expert Dietrich Brandis as the first Inspector General of Forest to manage forest resources. In 1864, Indian Forest Service was set up by Dietrich Brandis and the Indian Forest Act was passed in 1865. The Indian Forest Act 1878 divided forest into 3 categories: reserved, protected and village forest. Due to Forest Act enacted by British government, people were deprived of their customary practices like cutting wood, grazing, hunting, shifting cultivation. The Britishers rewarded for the killing of tigers, wolves, etc. The scale of hunting increased and many animals became extinct at this time. In India, Adivasi communities like the Banjaras were trading the different forest products and animals. But the Britishers started to control the trade completely. Due to this, many nomadic communities, nomadic यानी जो एक जगह में परमानेंट नहीं होते हैं, okay, 3 months यहाँ, then 3 months कहीं और जाना है, nomadic communities lost their livelihoods. The British government even recognized some tribes as criminal tribes. The British government even recognized some tribes as criminal tribes. In many parts of India, forest communities rebelled against the changes imposed on them. In Bastar, under the leadership of Gundadhur, started revolt against the British. The British controlled the revolt but forced to reduce the area to be reserved to roughly half of that planned before 1910. Java is a famous rice producing islands of Indonesia. In 19th century, the Dutch colonizers introduced forest laws in Java and restricted villagers' access to forest. The Dutch introduced Blankdondiensten system where they first imposed rents on land and later exempted some villages from rents if they provide free labor and buffaloes for their work. In Java, the Dutch followed a scorched earth policy and destroyed sawmills and huge pile of giant teak logs so that Japanese could not utilize them. ये मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में सब पढ़ाया है. Scientific forestry is widely followed by governments across Asia and Africa since 1980s. They have also realized the importance of involving forest communities in conservation efforts. Okay, so this was just a clipping, small summary of this lesson. Okay, that is on page number 81. Page number 81. It's a math sum. Then page 83. Long question answers are there, students, that you have to write from the what are the factors affected by wars. Then a huge answer है. Question 3, between 1818 and 1920 forest cover in the Indian subcontinent declined by 9.7 million hectares from 108.6 million hectare to 98. ये सबके रूल डिस्क्राइब करने आपको. लॉन्ग आंसर है ये. रेलवे, शिप बिल्डिंग, एग्रीकल्चर एक्सपेंशन, कमर्शियल फार्मिंग ऑफ ट्रीज, टी और कॉफी प्लांटेशंस, आदिवासीज एंड अदर peasant users. Okay, so a long question answers that you will be get from the text. We go to its objective type questions. Which of the following correctly defines deforestation? What is deforestation? The disappearance of forest. अगर शॉर्ट में बोला जाए, the disappearance of forest is deforestation. How much India's land mass was under cultivation in 1600? 1/6. Which transport system was most essential for colonial trade and movement of goods? कौन सा था ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम? It was railways. How many sleepers were required for each mile of railway track? It was 1760 to 2000. 1760 to 2000. Which act was passed in 1865? It was Indian Forest Act. Where was the Imperial Forest Research Institute set up in 1906? It was in Dehradun. Which species of trees are suited for building ships and railways? Teak and sal, both. Ships and railways. What is the local name of Maduka indica? इट इज महुआ, मधु का इंडिका, महुआ, ये लिकर बनाने में काम आता है, ये इसका जो फ्लावर है ना, प्लांट, महुआ. इन फॉरेस्ट a dried scooped out gourd was used as portable water bottle. Dried scooped out gourd was used as portable water bottle forest में. Oils from the mahua trees are used for cooking foods and lighting lamps. Where is Bastar located? Southernmost part of Chhattisgarh. Hey, दीदी को लाइन क्या है? जस्टी. Southernmost part of Chhattisgarh. Which tribal community is living in Bastar? या are living in Bastar? Maria and Muria Gonds, Durwas, Bhatras and Halbas. कौन सी ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी है? मारिया एंड मुरिया गॉन्ड्स, दुर्वास, भत्रास एंड हल्बास. What is common in different tribal communities of Bastar? दो उनकी लैंग्वेजेस डिफरेंट है, लेकिन उनके बिलीफ और उनका कस्टम एक ही है. इन विच ईयर डिड द बस्तार रेबिलियन टेक प्लेस? इन 1910. अरेंज इन सीक्वेंस, दैट इज नो, ये तो नहीं है, चलो आई विल गिव यू दिस. मैच Dietrich Brandis. Dietrich Brandis. It is first Inspector General of Forest in India. So चौथा क्या होगा? George Yule. It is British administrators. Surantiko Samin. It is revolutionary of Java. The Mataram kingdom of Java split into two kingdoms. 1755. The Kalangas rose in rebellion against the Dutch. It is 1770. Indian Forest Act introduced 1865. Okay, fill in the blanks. The first Inspector General of Forest in India was Dietrich Brandis. The Indian Forest Service was set up in 1864. In dash, Bastar Kingdom was merged with Kanker Kingdom and become Bastar District in Madhya Pradesh. It is 1947. The Central America shifting cultivation is known as milpa. The Bastar revolt started in 1910. True or false? The Imperial Forest Research Institute was set up at Dehradun in 1915. It is false. The Imperial Forest Research Institute was set up at Dehradun in 1906. Shifting cultivation is regarded as lading in South Africa and milpa in South America. False. Shifting cultivation is regarded as lading in Southeast Asia and milpa in Central America, lading in Southeast Asia, and milpa in Central America. Baigas are a forest community of North India. False. Baigas are a forest community of Central India. A number of different communities live in Uttar Pradesh, such as Maria and Muria Gonds, Durvas, Bhatras and Halbas. False. A number of different communities live in Bastar. Bastar की सब communities है. In 1775, the Kalangs resisted by attacking a Dutch fort of Joina, but the uprising was suppressed. वो year wrong है. It is in 1770, not 1775. बाकी सब कुछ same है. Name at least 6 items around you which came from forest. कौन से हो सकते हैं? ओके, पेपर से, पल्प से पेपर बना, पेपर से ही और आपकी बुक्स बनी है. सो पेपर इन बुक्स, वुड फॉर डेस्क, टेबल्स, डाइज दैट कलर माई क्लॉथ, हनी, कॉफी, टी, ऑयल, टैनिन. What were the wooden planks laid down across railway tracks to hold tracks in a position called? क्या बोलते हैं उनको? Sleepers. जो रेलवे ट्रैक के ऊपर नहीं, वो वुडन का ट्रैक बिछाते हैं, उसको स्लीपर्स बोलते हैं. How many sleepers were required for each mile of railway track? 1760 से 2000 तक तो सिर्फ 1 माइल में. How was Siadi creeper used for? Siadi creeper is used to make ropes. Siadi creeper. How many tigers were killed between 1875 to 1925? 80,000 tigers. When was Forest Act 1865 amended? It was amended twice. Once in 1878 and then in 1927. When was Bastar divided into 3 districts? Kanker, Bastar and Dantewada in 1998. From which tree latex can be collected? Latex can be collected from rubber tree. Okay, so if you read the lesson easily, ये छोटे छोटे आंसर्स तो आपको वही मिल ही जाएंगे. Then what is forestry? Why did the colonial government start commercial forestry in India? Give 3 reasons. What were the defects of scientific forestry technique? Who were the Kalangs? Mention any 4 characteristics of this community. What were the beliefs of people of Bastar? How did the rebellion of the people of Bastar takes place against the British? Who worked as plantation workers and what were the working conditions? These are all the long question answers. Okay. Then who is the author of the book The Forest of India? ये भी आपको मिलेगा, ढूंढो बुक के अंदर. In the colonial period, which animal was used to lift heavy timber? Buffaloes. Then what were the major source of income for many people living in forest? Name the colonial power which ruled Java. What was a good forest according to villagers? How did they benefit from it? What do you mean by Devsari? Explain scorched earth policy. How did life change in India after the forest department took control of forests? Why were the forests important to the villagers? What was the impact of regulation of trade in forest products by British government in India? Give an account on colonial management of forest in Bastar and Java. So such questions are there जो as you read the lesson easily आप उसके answers देख पाओगे. Again for MCQ just go through the lessons. See अगर ये स्टोरी में सबसे पहले है the population of Java was estimated as 3.4 million. उसके बाद द माताराम किंगडम ऑफ जावा स्प्लिट इनटू 2 किंगडम्स. उसके बाद द कलंग्स रोज इन रेबिलियन अगेंस्ट द डच बट वाज सरप्रेस्ड. तो पहले जावा थे, बाद में कलंग्स का था. फिर और अगर देखा जाए तो फर्स्ट है इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस वाज सेटअप. अगर आप ऑर्डर में क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में पढ़ो तो इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस वाज सेटअप. इनेक्टमेंट ऑफ इंडियन फॉरेस्ट एक्ट हुआ था. उसके बाद Indian Forest Act divided forest into 3 categories were reserved and then Imperial Forest Research Institute was set up. Then after that उसके बाद हुआ था कलंगा अपराइजिंग, the spread of Indian Railways, Indian Forest Service was set up, and last rebellion in the kingdom of Bastar. Okay, so students, it was simple lesson था ये, forest society and colonialism. That was history chapter 4. Okay, next I will start with geography, natural vegetation and wildlife, because ये drainage और climate आपको omit है शायद. Yes, no, climate is there, population is omitted, drainage and population is omitted. Yes, I had finished with climate, है ना. Geography lesson 4 climate I had finished. Okay, in my next class I will just मैं इसकी क्लाइमेट की आपको ओवरव्यू दूंगी एक, इफ़ एनीवन हैज़ मिस्ड माय दिस क्लास. आफ्टर दैट आई विल सॉल्व इट्स क्वेश्चंस, कुछ MCQs करवा दूंगी फ्रॉम द मिड बिटवीन द लेसन. ओके, क्लाइमेट, बिकॉज देन आई हैव टू स्टार्ट विद नेचुरल वेजिटेशन एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. Okay students, so I had finished with lesson 4 forest society and colonialism, and hope you had started doing my subject enrichment activity. Don't make haste, you can give before also, but the last date is 15th of October. उसके बाद आपका C मैं नहीं लूँगी. ओके, I will not accept after that. इसलिए it has been given you since last 1 week. 1 week तो हो गया आपको आराम से, 1 week से ऊपर. सो आई होप आपने काफ़ी पॉइंट्स कवर अप कर दिए और अच्छी तरह से लिख के भेज दिया मुझे. ओके, So in my next class I will just have an overview of climate, उसके question answers वगैरह solve करूँगी. Okay. So with this, I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all. Please read this lesson once, twice, thrice. Okay? And thank you to all. Take care.